Isn't it the truth that the way to someone's heart is through their stomach? So for your sweetheart this Valentine's Day, why not grab some kitchen tools and roll out a romantic homemade dinner for two? Joining me now is the kitchen cupid himself, celebrity chef Mark Kalix. Great to have you back on the show.
Well, thanks for having me, Kitchen Cupid. I'll take it.
Okay, so you're bringing all the love to our
Yeah.
MHL kitchen, but I have to admit, we've done this once before.
We have.
I was a little intimidated.
Okay.
What about the home chef? Is this something that they should be intimidated by, or is this kind of easy
No,
to
because
do?
even if you make a pasta disaster, you're still making pasta.
Hey,
How bad
okay.
can that be? All right, so we make the dough and it's simple. It's eggs and flour.
Right.
I like to do 2 cups of flour and 6 eggs. Mix
Okay.
that together, you smish it together, you start kneading the dough.
Yeah.
You really want to get that dough to come together so that you end up with this nice ball of dough. And when you push, it should push back.
Cool. And
And-
this is not like bread dough where you have to like let it rise and all of that, and you have to wait for it.
No, you need to let it rest for the
Rest.
glutens to relax. And I could go into the chemistry and science behind that.
Science project
but,
there.
But you don't have to worry about elevation or anything like that.
Okay.
It's really just, it's fun for the kids because you get to knead it like Play-Doh. And
Yeah.
then
You have the old school
I got
fabulous
the old,
roller right
I
here.
got the old school machine. Can you do this with a rolling pin? 100%.
But it would probably take you a lot longer
You know,
and maybe be less
Maybe,
exact.
maybe, but you keep in mind, this is all about having fun with your loved ones.
Okay.
Particularly if you have a family. Why don't you crank?
Okay.
And I'll feed the pasta.
There
oh
we go.
boy, oh boy, this is.
No,
okay,
not working.
No, we're being successful.
Okay,
Look
okay,
at
we're
this.
doing it,
We're
we're doing
it. Yes. And this is all about having fun and cooking together.
Yes.
And it shouldn't be stressful. I always say that if cooking feels like a chore, maybe you're doing it wrong. We're going to make it a little thinner. So I'm going to go
Okay.
from 4 to 5. We're going to go one more time.
One more time.
Here we
Here we
go.
go.
Yes. And what I like to
Teamwork
do
makes
with
the
my
dream
family
work.
is I make a huge sheet of pasta, like 20 feet long.
Oh my
long.
gosh.
We conga line one more time, maybe. We conga through the kitchen, dun, 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 and we get the pasta going.
This is great.
Okay, now we're going to cut the noodles.
Okay.
This is the
'Cause
best
this
part.
is like the fancy up
That's
here
right.
part,
All right.
Okay.
Boom. And this is really
Wow.
not about measuring or being very precise. It's about
just about
having
having
fun.
fun.
Okay,
Okay.
you ready?
Yes.
You ready? Okay, here we go. Here's the magic. Here's the noodles.
Dun, dun, dun,
All right, are we going the
dun.
right way? Yeah.
All
No,
I
yeah.
have to do is the easy part of just
There we
turning that up.
go.
Oh, there it is.
Look at it. Oh, I think we're going the wrong way. Hold
Oh,
on.
am I going the wrong way?
No, we're doing perfect.
Oh dear.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Just let you take over here, chef.
And there we go. You can, of course, cut these by hand. I can show you how to do that.
They're so cool.
Look at that.
Ta-da!
Look
Look
at
at
that.
what we just made.
Or if you
We
don't
did
have
it.
a pasta machine, you just take a big
Da-da-da.
knife and off you go.
Okay.
Okay, so how do you cook this?
Stabatha always to the rescue.
Stabatha to the rescue. All right, so we're going to cook this in nice hot water.
Yes.
3 minutes. It doesn't take too long because we're not using fresh pasta cooks super
Well, right,
fast.
yeah, because the
Right.
dried pasta that you get from the box in the store, that stuff takes what, 10 plus
10,
minutes?
12 minutes.
And this is so fresh that you don't want to overcook it.
You don't want to overcook
Al dente.
it. Yeah, so what I do is I cook it in the water and then I take a splash of water. Of course, you can make any
pasta
sauce.
water, okay.
But I like to keep it simple. Little butter, little water, little cheese, maybe some garlic.
Okay, wait, what kind of cheese we talking?
All right, Parmesan.
Yes.
And the right amount of cheese is so much cheese here. This is nice and warm.
I'm like, wait.
So much cheese that you
only right
can't
amount is
see
more.
you can't see the noodles. That's really the right amount. You got to get in there. All right, I can still see some noodles. I'm gonna keep working, get the Parmesan going.
Because it's all going to blend
Oh
and
my
mix
gosh, it's
and
going to be delicious.
part
I'm
of
going to
the
warm that
sauce,
up a little
right?
bit more.
Okay.
Maybe some garlic, or you can do a tomato sauce. It doesn't matter. If you have a can of tomato sauce that you love, a jar, add it to the noodles. And it's all about the experience of cooking together with people that
Right.
you love,
Right.
and less so about the final product.
Yeah.
Cooking should be fun and dynamic, and I think if you do that, you're going to have a wonderful Valentine's Day.
Yeah, well, and you know, it is always easy to get caught up in like wanting to make the perfect meal for your loved one or
Yeah,
your friend or
yeah.
whomever this, you know, going to be eating with you, but
Right.
you're totally on board or
Yeah.
on point with making it an experience.
I like
and
to
I can
use-
smell the cheese
Oh,
like
yeah,
melting
look at
right
that.
now.
It's so good.
So
I like to
distracted.
use the word rustic. And
Okay.
rustic gives you the ability to cook to your abilities and be proud of what you made. And that, I think, is the important thing when it comes to Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Celebrating the people that we love for who they are.
I love
Same
that.
thing with cooking.
Wise words from our chef. And I'll just end that on one note. Hey, if you make a whole bunch of mistakes in the kitchen, you'll make some fun memories to take with you.
Indeed.
Remember that one Valentine's Day when we did that?
Set up the
so
smoke
awesome.
alarms.
Yes, yeah, of course. Well, this smells amazing. Thank you so much for making this for our show today. And Chef Mark Kalix is the celebrity chef for Appliance Factory Fine Lines. You could earn a free in-home cooking class or dinner party. Find out more information on his website at celebritychefmarkk.com. We'll be right back.